Hello, this is Uncle Steve. It's a lovely spring day here in Castle Blaney. Let's see, I'll show you that. So it's a bit overcast, but the birds are tweeting and it's kind of warm. And I'm going to carve your wedding gift out of this chopping board on the CNC machine that I built. This is called a mostly printed CNC because I printed a lot of the parts on a 3D printer, and I built all of the electronics in this box here. And I made it portable so that I could drive across Ireland and teach classes in CNC. Okay, and recently my latest addition is a remote control called a pendant for driving the thing around manually. I did a test yesterday that worked reasonably well on some soft plywood. So today we're going to use nice hard bamboo. See how it goes. Okay, now we're going to carve the Ogham letters. Okay, now we're going to do the border. I have filled the holes with epoxy mixed with bamboo dust. And let it harden up overnight. It's pretty hard. It's probably not going to gunk up the bit, but we'll see. All right, here we go. I'm just going to I tried to align it. There was a power outage that kind of ruined things. I wanted to keep the same alignment from when I cut this one. But of course the power went out for half of a second and ruined that. So I've tried to realign it. We'll see if I did or not. Here we go. Hey, feed hold works. Fantastic. I created this design using VCarve Pro, which has a nice simulation tool that allows me to see what the final result is going to look like. And it comes pretty close to what it really looks like. The design represents Elena's Irish heritage. The language is called the Ogham alphabet and dates back to the 300s AD or so, and is used by all these ancient Irish people to inscribe memorials and property markers and things. Above the English are the Irish words for love, health, and happiness, gra, sláinte, and sonus. And Mairead and I wish you, Elena and Marcel, a lifetime of love, health, and happiness together.